Meaning of discontinuity.
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 Discontinuity. Discontinuity refers to a lack of continuity or a break in something that should be continuous. It is an interruption or change that occurs abruptly and can have negative consequences. In mathematics, a discontinuity refers to a point where a function is not continuous. This can result in abrupt changes in the output of the function, making it difficult to predict its behavior. Discontinuities can also occur in relationships, communication, and other areas of life, causing confusion, conflict, and disconnection. It is important to recognize and address discontinuities to maintain stability and promote positive outcomes.